In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper wallet. For that, first of all, launch your Telegram wallet and then tap on this settings icon in the top left hand corner. Now select the tone space beta option and here tap on to view your phrase. Now once you do this, it will show you your recovery phrase associated with your Telegram wallet. So you just have to simply copy that from here or note somewhere safe, because it is needed in order to import your Telegram wallet into the TonKeeper wallet. Once this step is done, launch your TonKeeper wallet and then tap on the wallet icon in the top. Now tap on the add wallet and here select the existing wallet option. Now it will redirect you on this page where it will give you the 24 words. So you just have to simply provide each and every word that you have copied from the Telegram wallet one by one on this page, and after that you just have to simply press continue in the bottom. On the next page you just have to follow some simple instructions, and this way you can easily import your Telegram wallet. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.